Doolin Cave. 8 million years old, Europe's largest stalactite we are exploring today. Ticket counter. You have to buy tickets here. You can also buy souvenirs and gift cards. We are at the information board. This is a guided tour. The tour guide is telling us about the cave in detail. Everyone is getting a helmet. We are now walking down the chamber. It's 125 steps down. We reached the bottom and we are now going through the tunnel. Some places are very low and difficult to walk. It could hit head. Reason why we are using helmets. We keep going by looking at both sides. We are 210 feet below the surface. It's a very strange feeling. The guide said that the temperature here is 11 degrees always. Wow, I was speechless when I looked at the stalactite. Far below the ground. What a creation, it's incredible. "8 million years old, Europe's largest stalactite." After the cave, we are heading to Cliffs of Moher Exhibition Center. This center is beautifully decorated with lots of things. I like the big screen. After I was watching this for a while, I felt like I was at the bottom of the ocean. Huge sea creatures passing me. It feels very realistic.
Is this the cliffs of Moher?
Irish banjo player. An outstanding view. incredible cliffs of Moher. It's about 700 feet high from the sea. 1.5 million people visiting this place every year. We are now heading up to the watchtower. We are now inside the watchtower. Beautiful cliffs of Moher.